iPhone accidentally donated to temple. Why its owner can't get it back? Have you ever wondered what happens when you accidentally donate something valuable at a temple? One man found out the hard way. An iPhone for the gods? Dinesh, a visitor to the Shri Kandaswamy temple in Tamil Nadu's Tripura, accidentally dropped his prized iPhone into the temple's offering box or hundial. Little did he know, his phone now officially belongs to the temple's deity. When Dinesh approached the temple authorities for help, they politely declined his request, citing an unusual rule. Anything placed in the hundial, even by accident, becomes temple property. According to the Installation, Safeguarding and Accounting of Hundial Rules 1975, all items deposited into the hundial are treated as offerings to the deity and cannot be returned. P.K. Sekar Babu, the state's Minister of Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments, explained, anything placed in the hundial, even accidentally, becomes God property. It goes into the deity's account and we cannot retrieve it for anyone. But what about the data? While the temple declined to return the phone, they generously offered Dinesh a chance to retrieve his data from the device. However, the iPhone itself will stay where it is technically. It now belongs to God. Is there any hope for Dinesh? The minister did mention he would discuss the matter with the officials to see if compensation could be arranged. However, Dinesh shouldn't hold his breath. This isn't the first time a valuable offering caused a stir. Gold chain gone, then replaced. In May 2023, another devote, S. Sangeeta from Kerala, accidentally dropped her 1.75 sovereign gold chain into the hundial of the Shri Dhandayati Pani Swami temple in Palani. CCTV footage confirmed it was an accident, and thanks to her financial struggles, the temple board chairman personally replaced her chain. What would you do if you accidentally donated something valuable at a temple? Should there be exceptions or the rules in case like this? Or does the sanctity of offerings take precedence? As this unusual story unfolds, one thing is clear. Dinesh's iPhone has found a divine owner, at least for now.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.